Let's learn the phonetic sounds of the American or English alphabet. Hi, my name is Teacher Asan, a preschool teacher since 1995. Let's begin. The sounds are: A is A, B is B, not ba or be, bi, bao, bu, be, blah, blah. It's B. C is K, D is D, E is E, F is F, G is G, H is H, I is I, J is J, K is K, L is L, M is M, N is N, O is O, P is P, Q is Qu. Listen to that again. It's Qu. R is R. Some try and say R, which is fine too. S is S. T is T. U is A. Not O, it's A. Very quick. A. V is V. W is W. X is X. Like K and S. X. Y is Y, and Z is Z. I hope you can practice these sounds along with your child and get used to these sounds as you point to lowercase letters. I would prefer lowercase, but if you also had uppercase letters nearby, please point them out as well so they can associate sound with the look of each letter. Soon, your child can combine sounds or put sounds together as you point to them slowly. More on reading next time, or if you need a reading tip, just let me know and I will try to make a video as soon as possible. Thanks for listening.